Wow, the cloud is so beautiful. Hi guys, let me go to somewhere that the light is clearer. Hi guys, how you doing? So we just got back. We took the children to the hospital for, for immunization. We spent quite some while because we left the house around 10:30. We were well on our way by 10:30 and we're just returning. This is some minutes to 3 after immunizing the kids. We were on our way back home when the car literally died on me, like went off in the middle of the road. We caused serious traffic, you know, and out of the thousands of people that were passing, only one woman stopped and offered to help me set up my triangle, I don't know what they call it, that triangle, whatever, safety, whatever, and everybody just passed and went on their merry way. So I called my husband and he came. They were able to, I didn't even know how to disengage it so that they will push it out of the road. I didn't know how to do that, but I called him. It didn't even take him long at all. He arrived and he was able to sort it out like in seconds. So we went on our way and we just literally just got home now. Like, I'm so tired, I'm hungry, I'm famished. I'm so grateful that I did the vlog that is going up today overnight and set everything for today so that later. Hi guys, how you doing? So today is Friday and I'm just about going to pick up the kids from school. And this is my outfit of the day. I'll try and get a fuller picture. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. Thank
The good old days, 如同幻影 You're not by my side, 心却也奔 The night seems endless, 夜无尽头 Missing you drives me wild, I need you me Our story fades, 爱已散场 But I still hold on, 还在期望 Wait for the next dawn To the place we once belonged Will you be there too? 你还爱吗? Yearning 그랬던 거 Memories keep coming 情绪难断 The good old days 如同幻影 You're not by my side 相缺一半
No, no, that sleeping with temperature is very bad. It's the same thing you did last night. You go and tell Miss Joy that you're not feeling so good so that she will know what to do, or at least call us. Eh? Guys, say hello. Yeah, say hello. Sorry, my baby is not feeling fine. Sorry, yeah? Why you getting your sister like that, madam? Okay, guys, so we're going home. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you doing? Today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. Where are you running to? The thing was there because of you now. Everybody has come back. We'll not be snapping picture where everybody's looking at us. So guys, it's Sunday and we're just about taking some Sunday pictures because I think I look damn good. And my little munchkins as well. Happiness. Happiness. Drop your clothes. Give me. Ekeresimesi, ekemkem, iyerekembom. Say hello. Because of the flour.
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Today is Friday. I'm about heading out and I'll carry you guys along. Just want to show you guys my outfit of the day. How do I look? So I'll see you guys and let's go. Today, not today.
You're going to college. This is
Hi, Nana. 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 Mama, look here.
After spending a day exploring the sights of Sao Paulo, before Ray heads to his hotel, he escorts Regina back to her house.
such a caballero.